So we gotta take the oil filter out here. Let me see that, right?
Yeah. We should. You hear the radio?
Yeah, hang on.
Win a free drone in the Pegasus Give Back giveaway and be ready for the future of agriculture.
It's a $35,000 drone?
I think
No
so,
crop
yeah.
damage?
I think guys make a commercial and we got it.
We're making commercial.
They say if you want to get a glimpse of the future, you must reflect on your past. Corunna High School's FFA chapter began in 1957 and has been an integral part of developing leaders within our community. Corunna is home to over 200,000 acres of farmland and over 1,000 farms. We would love to be awarded this drone not only to help our FFA chapter, but several farms in the Shiawassee County area.